really want a Gucci shirt.
Honey, you ready for your surprise?
Yes.
Start spinning. As soon as I snap my fingers, your surprise will appear. Spin faster, faster, spin faster. So since Sharon's been such a great fiance, and I really appreciate her so much, I went to Gucci and got her a special gift for her that she would really like, something she's been wanting. Here it is. We're doing an unboxing of a Gucci gift, and we're gonna show you how you can get a free Gucci shirt.
Yay, I love it. So cute.
Oh, I love your Gucci shirt. I love it. I wish I could get one too, but I just spent the rest of the money I had in my bank account. So I guess I'll have to wait till my next paycheck to get one like yours. Man, I really want one like this. You know, honey, I have a great idea. Why don't we do this? Alright, do you think it's ready now? I think it's ready. I think it was. Is it? Oh, it worked! Oh my god, it worked! I got a free Gucci shirt! Whoa, that's so cool! I love it! Thank you so much, baby. So both of our Christmas wishes came true. You got a Gucci shirt for free because I bought it for you, and then I got a free Gucci shirt because I didn't pay anything for this one either. Merry Christmas, everybody! Made a free Gucci shirt for myself, and now I'm going to show you guys how you can make your own free Gucci shirt. Just keep in mind that if you do try to sell that shirt that you made, it becomes illegal because that's copyright infringement, so you gotta be careful. I highly caution and don't do that under any circumstances. This is only for personal use. If you make a shirt using someone else's artwork for your personal use, there's nothing illegal about that as far as I researched. Everything I found online said it's fine, but I'm not an attorney, so you'd have to do your own legal research. I can't give you legal advice. Alright, so it looks like it's working better now. The first run didn't go so well because the Gucci letters were too big for the letter size paper, so I'm gonna actually split up into 3 parts, which I'm going to make separately and put them together by hand. Here comes the first piece. It looks like it's working well. So for this project, I'm using a special fabric transfer sheet, which I've put the best price in the description below. You can see the link to go to the best price on fabric transfers, and that'll be the way you print it so you can iron it onto your shirt. So here it is. Here's the first one. Now I need to go back and make a copy of the G, but this part is done, so now we can just cut this and make it perfect for the shirt. So I folded it to fit the printer, so now I'm gonna move it over and get the other side, and I gotta make sure it's really straight. I'm trying to stretch it out so that it doesn't get wrinkled. Alright, this should be good. Same thing again, I changed the settings on my printer to print on matte paper for standard quality and actual size. I couldn't switch it to best quality because it's on matte paper. I think you have to be on glossy paper for that. Alright, so here's the final step after we've printed it on our special paper where we ironed it onto the shirt. Now let's see if it worked. Whoa, that looks pretty good.
Wow, damn. That looks amazing.
Our Christmas wishes came true. I got a free Gucci shirt. Yeah, that looks really good actually. And if you guys are interested in buying t-shirts with our pictures on them, comment down below. Let us know what kind of shirts you would like to see from us. So I'm Sharon's personal photographer. I take all of her Instagram photos. So if you guys want to see any of her photos printed on a shirt for you, I can do that for you too. So let us know at Sherry Synthesis on IG. So what do you guys think of the new shirt? My new Gucci shirt. Let me know in the comments below. So that's awesome. I love it. So the method of setting the shirt down on the copy machine and copying it worked okay. And that's the one that I used for the blue shirt. However, I came up with a much better idea. First, you want to download from the App Store. Download the Cam Scanner app or some other PDF scanner app that allows you to take a picture of something and it turns it into a PDF for you. By doing that, it automatically cuts out any area behind the letters and logos that is like a different color. So it makes it black and white. And then from there, it should be easier to flip it because in order to print something that you're gonna iron onto a shirt, it has to be backwards. Because when you put it onto the shirt, it's gonna be upside down. In order to be backwards, you have to take the image and flip it on your phone. You have to first scan it as a PDF and then take that image and flip it and then print that image that's been flipped. And that image can be laid down on top of a shirt and then ironed on. That's the best method for getting your free Gucci shirt.
Chang.